Hi, my name is Justine. I'm a high-level systems architect and automation consultant based in the Philippines. Professionally, I help small businesses and agencies design and build automations so that their operations, lead flow, and customer journeys run more smoothly with fewer manual steps and fewer drop balls. One project I'm particularly proud of is a custom Google Sheets and AppScript system that I built for a local printing shop here. Before working together, they were tracking everything on paper. Orders were written on notes that could get misplaced. It was hard for their team to see what needed to be prioritized, and they don't have a reliable way to track payments and see how their sales were actually performing. After walking through their operations, we decided that a full custom CRM like HighLevel would be an overkill for their current stage, so I designed a lightweight but powerful system that is tailored exactly for their needs. Now their staff have a clear, filtered view of orders in progress. They know what needs to be done next and which jobs are a priority. That same system also provides them a way to track payments and gives the owners a sales dashboard so they can easily see how much came in and what their projections look like. In summary, we took a messy paper based process and turned it into a simple centralized workflow that their whole team can use on the daily. Although that example uses Google Sheets and AppScript, I use the same approach when using HighLevel. I understand first the real workflow and then design automations, pipelines, and dashboards that fit the business instead of forcing the business to fit the tool. In terms of how I work, I prefer remote setups because it helps me protect my time for my family and for my pastoral and ministry responsibilities. Remote work also saves a lot of time and energy because in my previous BPO roles, I used to spend 4 to 5 hours just traveling to and from the office every day. To stay productive, I rely heavily on time blocking in Google Calendar. Typically on a Sunday night, I map out the coming week, block of work sessions for client builds or troubleshooting, and then add separate windows for meetings and other admin tasks. For communication with distributed teams, I'm comfortable working inside whatever tools the client prefers: Google Workspace and email, Slack or other messaging tools, and Zoom or Google Meet for calls. I like to agree on response time expectations at the start of a project and then send written reports or updates after every major work blocks and use screen recordings or Loom style walkthroughs so clients can easily see how their automations work and what's been done. If my experience sounds like a good fit for your business or agency, I'd be happy to talk about how we can streamline your automations and system so that you can focus more on growth instead of manual work.